This is the Maxim machinery lithium battery recycling production line on site designed for high recovery efficiency, stable operation, and sustainable resource utilization. Waste lithium batteries are first discharged and safely fed into the crushing system. The material then enters the shredding and crushing section, where batteries are gradually reduced into smaller particles for efficient separation. To further improve metal recovery efficiency, our production line is equipped with an advanced two-stage heavy material separation system. This design significantly increases the recovery rate of valuable materials, while reducing material loss during the separation process. The entire recycling process is equipped with dust collection and environmental protection systems, ensuring low emissions, clean production, and safe operation. Maxim Machinery is committed to providing advanced lithium battery recycling solutions worldwide. High recovery, high purity, low energy consumption, turning battery waste into valuable resources.